What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you all back into another video. And in today's video we are looking into a smartwatch which is by Haylou Solar, a fantastic and a competitive price smartwatch which come with the features you normally expect in a high-end smartwatches, running its own tiny operating system and have a support of 12 sports mode with the 24-hour heart rate tracking. And I mean it guys, heart rate tracking was fantastic and accurate. I compared with another smartwatch I have reviewed in past. Smartwatch also supports the call and message reminder, call rejection option, caller ID is also supported, come with a simple vibrator built in inside and a light up sensor as well. Come with all standard feature which you expect from any smartwatch like alarms, calendar, sedentary reminder, anti-lost, weather display and stuff like that. In terms of sensor, smartwatch come with a G sensor with the heart rate sensor as well. Now the screen size you are getting on the smartwatch is a 1.28-inch round display with the TFT technology with the resolution of 240 by 240 pixel. Now in terms of battery life, you are getting 340 milliampere hour battery which give you standby time of 30 days. And you can use it 24-hour up to 5 days, no problem whatsoever. In terms of charging, it will take only 2 hours to fully charge and you can use it for 15 days, no worries whatsoever at all. Now dedicated magnetically coupled charging cable is also included. Now this Haylou Solar global version of smartwatch have a dial size of 45 mm and the bands you can use is a 22 mm, widely available throughout the market, with a weight of about only 54 grams. Very light guys, it will be in your hand, you won't even know that. Running Bluetooth version 5.0 and rated IP68. So it's a dust and waterproof protected. But you have to remember one thing, not to use in a hot water at all. Haylou Solar have really done a good job on this smartwatch. Full aluminum alloy body with 45 mm of dial size, 1.28-inch TFT display with the resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. Where from around the smartwatch, everything you're going to see around and very properly made up. There's a one multifunctional button in here and your heart rate sensor on the back, along with the charging pins, which are also magnetically coupled. So there is no way you can cross them at all. Now to power up smartwatch, you need to press and hold this multifunctional button. Once smartwatch is powered up, scan this QR code to download the smartphone app on your mobile phone. And you can also download application manually from Google Play Store or from Apple Store if you want to, by searching for Haylou Fitness app and hit the install button. Once the app is successfully installed, open it from there, where first thing you need to do is create account with the Haylou Fit application. Now once you created account with the Haylou Fit application, now application next thing is going to tell you that what you need to do on your mobile phone to make sure that application is running in the background. You just need to follow all the instruction it mentions right in here, that how to make an exception in auto run. After that, once you've done this, go for the next, create your profile. Now you need to click on to select your bracelet and wait for your Haylou Solar smartwatch to appear up in this list here. Now select your smartwatch in your mobile phone and click right on the smartwatch as well. There you go. Now let's briefly check out Haylou Fit application. On the home screen of your application, you're going to see how many steps you have taken, what is your target, how much distance you travel, how many calories you have burned, how's your heart rate doing, as well as a sleeping record. Then you got an option for the sports. Smartwatch does not come with the GPS built in inside, so it's going to use a GPS of your mobile phone. So you can start your activity by pressing the go button from here, and you got a choice of activities like a walking, running, riding, and you can add more as well, available within the list down in here. Then we have the option for the device, which is a very important option I normally suggest to everyone to check out. The reason is sometimes you might have noticed that the app is not sending any notification or you're not getting any notification on your smartwatch. That is all to do with the settings actually. And all those settings are available in here. Now let's go through each one of them very quickly. The first one is a heart rate monitoring. You can turn it on 24-hour. That is a good thing to do. Then you have a call reminder. So let's suppose if somebody is going to call you, if you allow it, you get the call reminder on your smartwatch, whereas you can actually attend it on your mobile phone though. Then you have an app reminder. Now in here, you can select the app you would like to get the notification from on your smartwatch. But just before that, you need to make sure that notification permission and accessibility is turned on within the mobile phone. First go for the mobile notification, select the Haylou Fit application, yes, allow it. Then after that, you need to go into the accessibility and scroll down in your mobile phone and make sure it's turned on as well. And that is how actually transfer the data from your mobile phone to the smartwatch. Now down below in the list, you can select what application you would like to get the notification from. Let's suppose I want from Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Gmail, WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, or I can select every single one of them which I have got available on my mobile phone, and I can go for the select more option as well. Then you have an option for sedentary reminders. If you're sitting down for a while, watch will warn you. Smart wake up alert, raise hand active display, want it on or off, do not disturb on and off, or you can go into the universal settings, which is for SMS reminder or on screen time. You can also set the format of your smartwatch, get the option for the firmware upgrade in here as well, or if you'd like to delete the smartwatch, unbind it actually from the app, you can just do it by press of one button too. Me option, where you can set your targets up and get the permission for running the app in the background. Now the tiny OS which is running in a smartwatch is a very user-friendly and straightforward to work with, where on the home screen you're going to see all the information, and you can go from left to right or right to left to see more about it regarding your activities, heart rate sensor, sleeping pattern, light sleep, dark sleep, or whatever you call it. Bit of weather information is available too, and the taking break option. To access all embedded applications of smartwatch, scroll from bottom to top. The first one, you're going to see the stats about your fitness information, how many calories you have burned, how many miles you travel, steps as well. To get out of the menu, press the return key or swipe from left to right. After that, you have your heart rate, sports activities. Here you got a choice of plenty of them, starting with the jogging, walking fast, biking, climbing, spinning, yoga, indoor running, outdoor running, integrated gymnastic, and quite many things. Altogether 12 sports activity modes in here. Then we have the weather application, very small application where it tells you the weather of your current location. This information is coming from your mobile phone. Then you have your sleep area here. A little application explains how you're sleeping. Notifications are also there. If they are not appeared up on your main screen, you can access them in here. Music player. Now by using this area, you can actually play music on your mobile phone by pressing the pause button to start with. Off we go. You can navigate within your music playlist using your smartwatch. Now from smartwatch, you can only control the music on your smartphone. You cannot connect your earbuds with your smartwatch at all. You have to connect with your smartphone. Come with a decent vibrator within the smartwatch. When you click on it, you're going to feel the notification. After music, we have a section for the more. Within the more, you're going to see the stopwatch, countdown, phone finder application. When you click on it, a very handy feature to have. Then you have a breathing exercise feature in there too. After more, you have a settings option where you can have a watch face option, and you can select multiple watch faces from the list down in here, Altogether you got about 4-5 of them. So here we have all of them. After watch faces, we have option for brightness, about, power off and reset your smartwatch. Pretty much straightforward options within the whole smartwatch. Now within smartwatch you also have a quick menu as well, which you can access from scrolling from top to bottom. Options with find your mobile phone, do not disturb, brightness control, and accessing your settings. Simple and straightforward. Now smartwatch also give you mobile phone call notifications, where you can only disconnect the call. To attend the call you have to use your mobile phone. You can just simply disconnect the call and receive this notification. You're also going to see the notification from your mobile phone. Whatever application are selected within the notification, you can delete them right from here, but not on your mobile. Now if you like to see them notifications again, you have to scroll down into the notification area down in here. Now when you get the notification from a group, it's going to show you a little bit more than the individual notification. It's just going to say there's a notification on WhatsApp, nothing else guys. That is just kind of a notification. So you have to open up your mobile phone to see the complete message. And at the same time you cannot reply back to that message. The only thing you can do is just delete it. Now here we are in the end of this video, and I try to show each and everything about this smartwatch a user should know about before buying it. All the options which are offered in it, they all work fantastically well. And the user interface is also perfect to have. Now for the price you are paying for this smartwatch, it is a bargain guys. Offers everything you wanted to know, works great with your mobile phone and everything else too. And if you still have any more reservation and like to know more about this smartwatch, any of its feature, do let me know in a comment section down below. I would be more than happy to answer any of your queries. And if you're interested in purchasing the smartwatch, link for that is available in the video description. Now that will be completely all from my side guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.